Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today's little project is this cute little granny shawl triangle. It's extremely easy to work up. So grab your hook and your yarn and let's do this. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. This channel is updated 24/7 with free patterns and tutorials. If you are a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. So there's two choices. This pattern is started right here. So you have a choice. You can either chain 5 or you can make a magic circle. I would prefer if you would make a magic circle. It just makes this tiny piece look better. So if you don't know how to make a magic circle or a magic ring, there's a tutorial on my channel. Please feel free to use it. Once you have your magic ring, you're going to chain 4. This chain 4 counts as 1 double crochet, which is 3 chain, and 1 chain stitch. Now into the same ring, make 3 double crochet. Followed by 3 chain, followed by 3 double crochets into the same ring, chain 1 and make 1 double crochet at the end. So this is row 1. Pull to close. Don't pull too tight, just pull it gently. You want it to form a triangle. So don't pull too tight. That is why I said it's perfect for a magic circle. Now, chain 4 and turn your work. The chain 4 counts as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. You're going to work into the very first chain. Your chain 1 space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. This is row 2. Make 1 chain into the 3 chain space, which is like a corner. You're going to work 3 double crochets, three chain, followed by 3 more double crochets. Chain 1. In your initial 4 chain that you made, you're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1. Now you need to make 1 double crochet in the top of your 3 chain space, in the top of your 3 chain or the 3rd chain. So just find it. So that's 1, 2, 3. So there, that's where I'm going to go in and make my 1 double crochet. I'm actually just moving this yarn like this. There we go. This is row number 2. For row 3, which I'm sure you will be catching on exactly what I'm doing now, it's a repeat. So you're going to chain 4. Again, this counts as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Immediately into your first chain 1 space, you're going to make 1 double crochet. Now this will be the row that you continuously repeat. Once you've made your 1 double crochet, chain 1. Into the next chain 1 space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. And then you're going to make your top corner. And your top corner is the exact same as the previous row. 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and 3 double crochet. So chain 1 and make that corner. And now we're going to repeat the other side, but in reverse. So it's a chain 1, which I did. Into your chain 1 space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, where you made your 4 chain, you're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1 into the into the 3rd chain, you're going to make 1 double crochet. That is row 3. Row 4. Let me just grab some wool yarn or yarn, depending where you love and what you call it. You'll chain 4. Into the very first 1 chain space, you'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'm just going to put this down here so that you can see. In every chain 1 space, so this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, you're going to make 3 double crochets. Here, you're going to repeat. In your 3 chain space, you're going to repeat this. 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and 3 double crochets. This is the most easiest pattern to continuously repeat. Let's do it. So into the first chain space, 3 double crochets, and then you chain 1. In the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, and chain 1. And again 3 double crochets in that 3 chain space, chain 1. In your corner, 3 double crochets, 3 chain, 3 double crochets, chain 1. In your 1 chain space, 3 double crochets, and make it 1 chain. In the next 1 chain space, 3 double crochets, one chain. In your next 1 chain space, 3 double crochets, one chain. In the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3, you'll make 1 double crochet, 4 chain, and turn your work. And you will continue in this way until you reach your desired length. So for this row, when you turn it, it'll be 1 double crochet, followed by, 3 double crochet, followed by 1 chain, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet with your 1 chains in between. You are repeating continuously and just adding on. So you can see this row has 1 cluster, 3 double crochet cluster in the 1 chain space. If you check the next row, there's 2 here. And if you look from the bottom, you'll see it starts with 1 3 double crochet cluster, followed by 2, then 3. And you will continue this until you reach your desired length. Thank you so much for watching. I'll get you on the next one. This is the Queen Phoenix out.